All right, good morning, everyone. Louis Sports Lano Manover Market, and today is May 29th. All right, here's the ES morning call. We had GDP and corporate profits are coming out. GDP was right in line with expectations. The only market that really responded to the GDP was gold. Uh, it rallied about it was $3 on the number. Um, So here's a day profile. I show this to you all the time. We made this move on Wednesday or Tuesday of this week. We filled this gap, got below the 20-day mode, which was 21.11 quarter, and now we're back up trading above it. Went higher and then lower yesterday, and we're trading right around the 20-day value area high, which is 21.20. Currently, we're at 21.16 half. We got left today. We got PMI at 8:45 and Chicago sentiment at 9 Central Time. Um, you know, not much going on. We're down 550 from the close yesterday. I think that the market's going to remain bullish based on the profile overnight. Okay, based on the profile overnight, looking like we're going to have a two-sided trade again. I think it's going to fill in down here. Okay, the key will, can you take out the Globex low of 21.1175 and then yesterday's low, because we still have sitting down below, we still have these single prints all the way down here to 21.02. So that's going to be important, to make a test of these lows today. All right. Um, Other than that, right now, currently, we are. Let's go over our value area high, low, and bull bear zone. All right. Let me make this a 30-minute chart. Kind of colorful, I know. All right. All right. So our bull bear zone is sitting up here at 21.22. And also our 30-minute pivot sitting up there. As you can see, it's a 30-minute pivot there. We're trading back inside value. Uh, the top of value is 21.19. Also, 21.19 is the point of control. All right. Bottom of value is 21.11 quarter. 21.11 quarter. So that's looking at. This is a. If you want, I can. These are volume bars. That's why they look so much different on the candlesticks. I've been experimenting with those. And then here is the top of yesterday's middle was 21.1475, and the bottom of yesterday's middle was basically 21.12 half, basically where the bottom of value is. So obviously that's going to be important. I think we're going to get, like I said, we're going to get a two-sided trade this morning, and you know, don't see much action. I think the trend is up, and it's going to have to, if it bottoms out here, it will be down in that area. We've taken out the 5-minute pivot. It looks like here, and the 5-minute pivot is now back up around 21.22, which is the bull bear zone. So, um, you know, you got to see if we can take the bottom here. If we can't, we turn around and go up that way. This will become a target for today, 21.22. The Nasdaq is under its 5-minute pivot. The Dow is under the 5-minute pivot, and the Russell are all under the 5-minute pivot. Basically, I think it's going to be a blended two-sided trade. I looked at that 4-hour. Here's that 4-hour Keltner. All right, we're like right in the middle. Here's the blue, here's the red. We're right in the middle. So, I'd be looking to make fade moods today, fading the bottoms and the high tops. Especially if we make the low early, I'd be looking for a bottom, and I think it'll go back up and test the other side of the range. When you get a profile that looks like it's doubly evenly distributed or double distribution, sort of here and here. Okay. So that's what I'm expecting. It's Friday. I'm not expecting a lot of volume. I mean, we've been actually trading on lower volume than as usual. Here's gold. Gold made the spike up on the news. It's actually spiked down to 1186.70 where our bull bear zone is. Now it's trading and made one up and made a high of 1194 half. It's up a buck 30 right now currently. All right, so the top of value is 1187.70, 1183.30 is the point of control. All right, so keep an eye at that 1186.70. Gold is retreating from the high of last week of 1,230. 1,230. Okay. What else we got? Okay, I'm having trouble with my bond chart, so I'll just give you the oil, crude, making a trading way above value at 58.14, right up in this area, which is R1. We got 57.37 as the point of control, as the top of value. 57 point of control. 56.94 will be our bull bear zone, and 56.85 will be the bottom of value. So keep an eye on crude. Crude bottoming them out yesterday at 56 half. That's off $4, $6, $7, or yeah, about $6 or $7 from the high last week of 62 half. Bonds are trading lower from value, but my bond chart screwed up, so keep an eye on bonds today. So I really think the bonds are going to, if they've been in like a 5 week downturn, I think the bonds are going to start bottoming out, especially when GDP and news comes out that's showing that the economy's not growing as fast as they thought it was. In fact, they think it looks like it's shrinking. So as far as our day chart, also our day chart, we've gone, three down, two up. We got one down. Today trying to start it down here. So I would be looking for more of a range trade. It looks like we got a trend line right here. Down to 2096 is where we made that low the other day. So I think it's more of the same. Two-sided trades. About 9:30. But by 10 o'clock, I'll put out the middle of the day. All right. Everybody have a good weekend and trading, and see you on Top Step Trader. Talk to you later. Bye.